For the last 12 days, I've been exploring India, and I did not expect this to leave an indelible mark that makes me yearn for more exploration in this vast and vibrant country. I'd say that this trip is not for the faint-hearted. For most first-time visitors, it can be chaotic, it can be disorderly, it can be uncomfortable and nerve-wracking. But somehow, these things seem to magically take the backseat to give way to those things that are more important for the brave soul who chose to visit. Its rich culture, majestic structures, unique experiences, solemn rituals, fantastic food, and most importantly, the friendly people. For this trip, we will start in the capital, New Delhi, take the sleeper train to Varanasi, take another sleeper train to Agra, head to a village called Tordi, head to the colorful city of Jaipur, and then come all the way back here to New Delhi. I invite all of you to see India through my lens.